Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to clear your File Explorer recent files history in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you'll need to click on File Explorer. Once it is open, on the screen you can see in the recent section you can see the last viewed files details. Okay, so in recent section of this File Explorer, it is keeping a track of all the files which were used. Okay, so how to clear these records? You can click on these three dots over here, then click on options. Okay, to see the change, we'll get this side by side. Okay, in this you can uncheck this, click on apply. See, the recent section has got removed. Then you need to uncheck this three rest two also. Okay, so once you uncheck these three options, click on apply and click on OK, then close this menu. So whenever you open this File Explorer, you will not get to see any history of the recently opened file or used file. Alright, that's it for today. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.